Hello, fellow plant enthusiasts. So I just received today a Begonia Taconite. It's a hybrid variety which has a beautiful blue iridescence. So I purchased this one from Botanicaz in Tacoma, Washington. And I started to open this, but I didn't completely open it. And I thought I will show you guys how it looks with this unboxing. So it looks like I have the invoice, and it says Begonia Taconite, and a lot of people love tacos, you know, but there was a beautiful discount. So from $25 I got a discount of $17.47, then with shipping of $10.95, you know, and then tax. So this plant was severely discounted, and that's one thing I've noticed with tropical plants. When you purchase them in December or January, the weather is so cold, people are afraid to buy, so it's a slower time. Hence, they get severely discounted so that these plant sellers are still able to make sales in the colder months. So it's a great time to buy plants if need be. Now let us take a look at this. So, do I have anything else in this big box? Bubble wrap. There's something heavy down here. Ah, the heat pack. This is my first time purchasing something which came with a heat pack. So it's taped on the inside. I need to cut the tape to check it out. This is lovely. I don't know if these can be reactivated, but it's nice and warm because it's cold outside. It's like 34 degrees Fahrenheit at the moment. So now let us look. That's the pot. So we need to open it from here. And I guess I will get that open. There was another begonia also I liked on there that I didn't purchase, and they're sold out now. Okay. It's nice ordering plants from different sellers because you can see how different people package them. Now in this case, they put all this like polyester fill that you can get from a craft store. Ironically, they sell them for a much higher price in aquarium stores for filters, like they call it fiber floss. And you can just buy it from a craft store, a huge bag, for less than what you'd pay for a small amount in an aquarium store. They work the same. I used to have an aquarium set up, and that's what I did. So let's see. Funny how they package them so the plants don't get damaged, and then you risk damaging them in the unboxing. But there we go. Oops. So they also put fiber floss on the inside so the plant is not damaged at all. Oh, that's going to spill. I'm going to leave it in there for now. And here you go. You can see the slight iridescence on this. I'm using natural daylight, and it's about 5 in the afternoon, January 7th, so it's not going to display much under this lighting, but it does have the leaves do have a nice sheen to them. And I can't wait to grow this in an environment that will display the beautiful blue iridescence. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, happy planting, and make sure you hit that subscribe button.